Students, today I am going to solve from chapter Arithmetic Progression. Question is, find the 37th term of the AP 6, 7 whole 3 by 4, 9 whole 1 by 2, 11 whole 1 by 4. In this AP, this is in AP. In this AP, we have first term equal to A equal to 6, second term equal to 7 whole 3 by 4 means 4 7 ja 28 or 3 31 by 4. Therefore, common difference means second term minus first term. So 31 by 4 minus 6. 4 LCM, 31 minus 4 6 ja 24 means 7 by 4. Now we have to find 37th term. 37th term means n equal to 37. So we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and Tn equal to 37, n equal to 37. So T37 equal to A for 6 plus 37 minus 1 into D for 7 by 4. So T37 equal to 6 plus 37 minus 1 means 36 into 7 by 4. 4 9 ja 36. Therefore, T37 equal to 6 plus 7 9 ja 63. Again 6 plus 63 means 69. So 69. Find the 37th term. 37th term equal to 69. Now next, question number 4. Find the value of P. Find the value of P for which AP is 2P minus 1, 3P plus 1, 11 are in AP. In this AP we have first term A equal to 2P minus 1. Second term equal to 3P plus 1. Therefore, common difference equal to second term minus first term. Here second term equal to 3P plus 1 and first term equal to 2P minus 1. So 3P plus 1 minus 2P minus 1. Now we get 3P plus 1 minus 2P minus plus 1. So 3P minus P means P plus 2. Common difference equal to P plus 2. But we know that in AP all differences, common difference are constant. So first we take 2P minus 1 and 3P plus 1 means 2P minus 1 is a first term and 3P plus 1 is a second term. Therefore, common difference equal to second term minus first term. Now we take 3P plus 1 and 11. Here in this case, common difference equal to 11 minus 3P plus 1 means third term minus second term. So again common difference equal to common difference D equal to 11 minus 3P plus 1. So 11 minus 3P plus minus 1. 10 minus 3p. Here also 10 minus 3p equal to common difference. Now in AP, common difference are constant. So we can write p plus 2 equal to 10 minus 3p. Both are common difference. P plus 2 is also a common difference and 10 minus 3p is also a common difference. So we can write p plus 2 equal to 10 minus 3p. Now calculate it. P plus 3p equal to 10 minus 2. 3p plus p means 4p equal to 8. Therefore, p equal to 8 by 4 means 2. P equal to 2. So, value of p equal to 2. Value of p equal to 2. Now, we have to find the numbers. In AP, numbers are 2p minus 1, 3p plus 1 and 11. So first term 2p minus 1 equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 means 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 means 3. In first term 2p minus 1 equal to 3. Now second term. In AP, second term equal to 3p plus 1. Put the value of p. P means 2. 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 means 6 plus 1, 7. Second term equal to 7. Therefore, numbers are 3, 7, 11. This is the answer. Numbers are 3, 7 and 11. Now, 6 number. If the nth term of a progression is 4n minus 9, nth term of an AP equal to 4n minus 10. This is AP nth term 4n minus 10. That means Tn equal to 4n minus 10 nth term. Find the first term, common difference and 16th term. As this is an AP means Tnth equal to 4n minus 10. If we take n equal to 1 means first term, then T1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 10 means 4 minus 10 equal to minus 6. If we take n equal to 1, then T1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 10. 4 minus 10 means minus 6. When we take n equal to 2 means second term, then T2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 10 means 8 minus 10 equal to minus 2. So first term is minus 6. Here first term A equal to minus 6. Second term T2 equal to minus 2. Therefore common difference. We know that common difference equal to second term minus first term. Common difference D equal to minus 2 minus minus 6. So minus 2 minus plus 6 means 4. So common difference equal to 4. First term equal to minus 6. Now find the 16th term. We have to find the 16th term. 16th term means T16. Now we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T16th term means n equal to 16th. T16th equal to A for minus 6 plus 16th minus 1 into 4 minus 6 plus 15 into 4. So minus 6 plus 60 means 54. 16th term equal to 54. This is the answer. 16th term equal to 54. Now next, how many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms are there in the AP? How many terms are there in the AP? 6, 10, 14, 18, up to last term is 174. 174 means 174 is the nth term. This is last number. So 174 is the nth term. In these AP, we have first term A equal to 6, second term equal to 10, therefore common difference equal to D equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. First term equal to 6, common difference equal to 4. We have to find the terms. How many terms are there? Let there are nth term. And this nth term value is T174. So we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here nth term Tn equal to 174. 174 is the nth term. So we can write 174 equal to A for 6 plus n minus 1 into 4. D equal to 4. Now we calculate it. 174 equal to 6 plus 4n minus 4, multiply n minus 1 by 4. So 4n minus 4. Now 174 equal to 6 minus 4, 2 plus 4n. 174 minus 2 equal to 4n. 172 equal to 4n. Therefore n equal to 172 by 4. So 4, 4 ja 16, 1, 2, 4, 3 ja 12. Therefore n equal to 43. How many terms are there? There are 43 terms in this AP. How many terms are there? 43 terms are there. Now 9 number. How many terms are there in the AP? How many terms are there in AP? AP is 18, 15 whole 1 by 2, 13 up to minus 47. That means minus 47 is the nth term. Nth term value is minus 47. In this AP, we have first term equal to 18 and second term equal to 15 whole 1 by 2. 15 whole 1 by 2 means 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 second term. Therefore, we have to find the common difference. common difference D equal to second term minus first term. So 31 by 2 minus 18. Now 2 LCM. 31 minus 36 means minus 5 by 2 is the common difference. First term is 18 and common difference is minus 5 by 2. Again we have to find the terms. How many terms are there? Let the number of terms be, let the number of terms be n. N terms are there. So we have Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that number of terms equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here nth term Tn equal to minus 47 equal to a for 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2, d equal to minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. Now calculate it. Minus 47 equal to 18 plus minus minus 5n minus minus plus 5 by 2. Now minus 47 minus 18 equal to minus 5n plus 5 by 2. 47 minus 18 minus 65 equal to minus 5n plus 5 by 2. Then cross multiplies. Minus 67 into 2 minus 130 equal to minus 5n plus 5. Then minus 130 minus 5 equal to minus 5n. So minus 135 equal to minus 5n. Minus minus cancel. Therefore n equal to 135 by 5. Now calculate it. 5 to the 10, 5 7 ja 35. Therefore n equal to 27. So answer is there are 27th term in this AP. How many terms are there? 27th terms are there in this AP. Now 11. Which term of the AP 72, 68, 64, 60 is 0? Which term of AP 72, 68, 64, 60 up to 0 means 0 is the nth term. 0 is nth term. In this AP we have first term equal to A equal to 72, second term equal to 64. Therefore common difference D equal to 68 minus 72. So minus 4. Now which term of AP 72, 68, 64, 60 equal to 0? Means Tn equal to 0. Now we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Here Tn equal to 0. Nth term is 0. A for 72 plus n minus 1 into minus 4. Now 0 equal to 72 plus minus minus 4n minus minus plus 4. Now 72 plus 4 76 minus 4n. Therefore 76 equal to 4n, n equal to 76 by 4. 19th, n equal to 19. Number of term equal to 19. Which term of the AP is 0? Answer 19th term of AP. AP equal to 19th term is the 0. Now next, which term of the AP, which term of the AP, which term of the AP 8, 14, 20, 26 will be 72 more than its 41 term. More than is 41 term. Now in this AP we have first term equal to 8, second term equal to 14. Now common difference equal to if first term equal to 8, second term equal to 14, then common difference D equal to 14 minus 8 means 6. Now which term of the AP? We have to find the term. Let the term be n. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Tn equal to A for 8 plus n minus 1 into 6. Tn equal to 8 plus 6n minus 6 means 6n plus 2. This is the nth term. And what is the condition? This nth term will be 72 more than its 41st term. Now we have to find the 41st term, means T41. T41 equal to A for 8 plus 41 minus 1 into 6. Now 8 plus 40 into 6. So 8 plus 240. Now 248. Now 41st term equal to 248. Now according to question, what is the condition? Nth term will be, nth term means 6n plus 2. 6n plus 2 will be 72 more than 41 term. So we can write 6n plus 2 equal to 248 plus 72, because condition is nth term will be 72 more, means 72 plus 248 plus 72, 41 plus 72. Tn equal to T41 plus 72. So Tn equal to 6n plus 2 and T41 equal to 248 plus 72. Now 6n plus 2 equal to 248 plus 72 means 320. Therefore 6n equal to 320 minus 2. 6n equal to 318. Therefore n equal to 318 by 6. 53. N equal to 53. So which term of the AP will be 72 more than its 41 term? Means 53 term. Answer is 53rd term of this AP. 53rd term of this AP will be 72 more than its 41 31st term. Okay students, thank you.